This is a cutting-edge solution for achieving crystal clear and pure perfumes. For efficient blending of fragrance components, the system includes a pneumatic mixing tank. During the filtration process, the perfume is cooled, pressurized, and forced through the microporous filter membranes. The filling machine uses vacuum technology to ensure accurate and efficient filling of perfume bottles. With 4 filling heads, it can fill up to 120 bottles per minute. The crimping station securely attaches the sprayer caps to the bottle, ensuring that they are properly aligned. The snapping station then attaches the collar rings, completing the capping process. Whatever your packaging needs are, you can rely on ZONESUN.